I'm Adrian Goodson. I'm going to talk today about starting up an MGB 18V engine that I've rebuilt over the last 6 years. Before that, I'm going to show you the test bed that I built over a couple of months, made out of scrap angle iron and bits and bobs. So with this test bed, we have all the dials. So you've got oil, mechanical oil, you have electric oil for those engines that have electric sensors, temperature gauge, and also voltage meter for the alternator. Plus on this side there is a rev counter. Most of these dials have come actually from an MG anyway, so they should be calibrated just right. At the front of the test bed there is a midget radiator with an electric fan. Now I have tested this before yesterday and everything seems to be fine, but for the purposes of this video I'm just going to run through the test with you. I'm not sure if we can see this, but there is an engine number there, which is 18V 883 AEL 030722. Now this particular engine was a Californian import engine which was low compression. I've now converted it to high compression with new pistons. It's got new shells and mains, big ends, new pistons, rings, bores honed, new oil pump, new crank thrust washers, new oil seals, cylinder head skims, slightly polished with new valve guides, exhaust valves, new camshaft followers, new duplex chain and cogs on timing, new water pump and exchange harmonic balancer. So really completely rebuilt engine. The crank itself was measured to make and it was fine, so it didn't actually need to be reground, and everything is standard on it. Because it was such a low mileage, it was just a case of just rebuilding it and putting in new shells and whatever, and obviously honing the bores. So it really is quite a good little engine. So what I'm going to do now is start it up as proof of its rebuild, and it sounds really good. Lower the oil pressure up to here. Oil pressure is showing nearly 75. That's at 1500 revs. So I tick over. That's the oil pressure gauge to tick over. It really is excellent. Go back down to the engine and there's no leaks, no oil leaks, no water leaks. It's really good.